A high school in Long Island is celebrating an incredible achievement. This year's valedictorian and salutatorian are star students and star athletes. They're also sisters, twin sisters. Eyewitness News reporter Sonia Rincon has their inspiring story.
The Guerrier twins are pretty unstoppable. The all-state track stars learned this week that Gloria will be this year's West Hempstead valedictorian and Victoria salutatorian. And they credit each other for help getting to the top.
Being competitive as twins, we push each other.
They also credit their hardworking mom, Mouri, who says they've been competitive since they were in her belly together and have been each other's coach, cheerleader, role model, and occasional tutor.
Subjects like AP Physics, I'm always over there over her shoulder helping her. And maybe in English, she gives me a hand. In essay writing, I think I'm a better writer.
It's rare that you come across not only one student like them, but two students like them. And they just impress me on a daily basis.
The twins don't just work hard in school and on the field. Both have part-time jobs outside of school. They say they realized they wanted to help their family financially when their dad became disabled by an illness in 2016. They were only 11 years old.
Growing up with immigrant parents from Haiti, I had a strong incentive to work really hard to not waste the opportunity that they gave me.
Their principal says Victoria and Gloria exemplify the American dream and have been role models since day one.
Student athletes who are genuinely kind-hearted people and are able to, they're musicians, they work, they have jobs, they're able to manage their time.
So how do they manage their time?
I just keep myself in a positive space and I just keep grinding at what I need to do. Definitely. I know that it got overwhelming at some point last year where I was like studying for SATs and APs and it just got so overwhelming. But I told myself I just take it 1 minute at a time. I almost planned out every minute last year.
All that incredible planning and hard work has paid off. This fall, they'll be on scholarships at Yale. In West Hempstead, Sonia Rincon, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Congratulations. Oh, what great role models. Love highlighting students like this.